at the airport again. So I didn't film this morning, but I was running around crazy, finishing up the dogs, doing the handoff, and getting last minute packing and shower and cleaning and all that stuff. So here I am at the airport in Guadalajara. Thank you to my driver, Adrian, who got us here. He's excellent and got me here, I should say. And now I have to go in and get through all the stuff. See our other video about what stuff you do when you go through the airport. I'll link it in the comments below or in the description. Okay, so I got all checked in. I went to immigration. I got stamped, the resident temporal, and got my bag checked and was able to navigate that in Spanish. I'm pretty proud of myself. And now I'm just taking a few minutes and then I'm going to go in and go through security. Okay, so the flight has been delayed. A friend just told me that there's bad weather in Dallas-Fort Worth, and that's where I'm connecting. So we're gonna see what happens. This ought to be interesting for now. I'm gonna grab me a bite to eat. You know, whatever happens, happens, right? So it's delayed till 4:06, and that's gonna cut about a half hour off of my transition time between flights. So hustle through security again, get my bag, hustle through security again. It's going to be a nightmare, but if I make it, I make it. Breezed through customs and to go get my bag, and I got notification my flight was canceled. So it's 9 something. I'm in Dallas-Fort Worth. I don't have a flight. Let's see what happens. Adventure. Hey you, yeah you. I have a black bag with green trim. I'm gonna leave the phone here. You check and see if you can find it. Bring it with you. I'm gonna go check at the gate. Wait a minute, that's not gonna work. I feel like Dora the Explorer. Can you find my bag? It's a black bag with green trim. So my flight was canceled. We're gonna do this real close because it's loud. And now I have to figure out, what do I need to do? Do I need to go to the gate? Are they going to rebook me on something? Go to the ticket counter, I guess. Sorry, you're getting up my nostril. Okay, so I moved to where the bags are coming out so that I can watch and get it fast. But it's not really going to matter because my flight was canceled, so... Oh well, it is what it is, right? You figure it out. So I'll have to go to a gate, or not a gate, but a ticket agent, and see what's happening. See if they're going to rebook me, if there's even a flight that can get me out of here tonight, if I'm going to have to spend the night, who knows. Green trim, black with green trim. Keep your eyes out. I should just sit there and just film the entire thing of every single bag coming off and not edit it. and just be like, look, this is how much footage I get. I won't do that to you. I don't need to. All right, I'm slap happy. Okay, Remarkable Lifers, it is now about 11 o'clock, and so here's the scoop. My flight coming in from Guadalajara was delayed, and we ended up having to circle the airport because there were storms here in Dallas-Fort Worth where I was making connections. So that caused me to have a late arrival, which the outgoing flight to St. Louis was delayed, and then delayed, and then delayed. So I thought I was going to make it, and then they canceled it. So I'm stuck in Dallas-Fort Worth for the night, and we're not able to get me a flight out until Saturday, and it is Thursday. Saturday is the wedding that I'm supposed to attend. So we're going to try to figure out some other options and see if that's possible, and if not, maybe I'll be able to crash with family here for a day, or something. Figure it out. First step is getting myself to the hotel. I made a hotel reservation through RoomStorm, which they recommended, and now I get to fight and see if I get my, get any credit for that. Because it was weather related, they don't give credit for, meals and rooms and all that stuff. So I'm tired. And I just posted the other video of me last night getting ready for this trip, so I'm exhausted from that. So this has been a long day. But we're going to see what happens. I'm going to get to the hotel. Pray for me that I know by the time you see this, it'll already be over and done. But pray for me that there's no bed bugs and that it's halfway decent. It got good reviews, and the people here said it was good. So we're going to see what it's like. And I got to get me an Uber.
Please. Joshua Runscoe from Poland, please report to the nearest courtesy phone and dial 331124 for an important message.
That person needs to get to the phone. I need to get to the Uber. So here we go.
Speak with clarity, 'cause there's too much noise around us.
So I'm in my hotel room, and I just checked in. I'm going to go get me some food, and so apparently there was a massive storm. So my Uber driver told me that there was a huge storm that rolled through, which we knew because we had to stay above it and circle in the air, which made me late. But he showed me his car, and there were some massive hailstorms. His car was just really, really damaged. So sorry for all those people who were affected by that, and I wasn't on the ground, so that was kind of nice. But everybody, oh my gosh, there's so many people. There was a line. There's people sleeping in the airport. Everything got canceled. The whole airport just shut down. So, could be worse. I have a hotel, and there's food nearby, and I have a credit card. So I don't like to spend money that way, but you do what you got to do, right? Keep it on the cheap and get through it. So just keep in mind the goal. We got to get to see family and friends and get to a wedding if I can get there, and roll with the punches.
Or maybe it's just me.
It's midnight.
It's trash out in the sea. Yeah, but I'm just too dry to reach it. So speak sincerely.
It's 2 o'clock in the morning. I did get to go. There's a IHOP right next to me, so I was able to go get me something to eat. Met a really nice guy there. Just happened to be another guy from my flight. Hey, Art, if you're watching, thanks for watching, and it was really nice to meet you. He was a military guy traveling and got stuck just like me. So we commiserated for a little bit and chatted about life and moved on, and he was a nice guy. So anyway, I just wanted to say this has been a long day, and I'm very lucky to have the opportunity to just roll with the punches. I don't have to be anywhere tomorrow. I don't have a hotel room, but I do have family in this area. So I've got a hotel for tonight, but not for tomorrow night. And they're saying they can't get me out until Saturday. So I'm hoping something changes. If not, I got a day here. I'll visit some family and I'll roll with the punches. And this is part of living a truly remarkable life, right? Okay, I'm going to go take a shower and crash and be very thankful that checkout's not till noon. If you haven't already, go find your truly remarkable life. See you soon. I'll let you know what happens.
Speak with clarity, 'cause there's too much noise around us.